Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hurricane Melissa left a trail of devastation across Jamaica, and the town of Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth was no exception. Among the many businesses affected was the popular retail chain Mother's, a well-known stop for residents and travelers passing through the busy town square. Known for its patties, pastries, and friendly service, Mother's suffered significant damage when the powerful storm battered the island earlier this week. As Melissa's outer bands lashed Santa Cruz with torrential rain and strong winds, the front glass windows of the store were shattered, sending shards across the shop floor. The sudden breakage allowed floodwaters to rush inside, submerging the counters and soaking the equipment. Within minutes, the usually warm and bustling eatery was filled with ankle-deep water. By the time the storm passed, the damage was extensive. The store's interior was flooded, refrigeration units and ovens were left in disrepair, and much of the stock had to be discarded. Cleanup began soon after the weather cleared, but recovery is expected to take time. For many in Santa Cruz, Mother's is more than just a fast food outlet. It's a familiar gathering place, a quick lunch stop for students and taxi operators, and a symbol of local comfort. The damage from Hurricane Melissa is not only physical, but also emotional, disrupting daily life in the heart of the town. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.